Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you how to log on to your Khan Academy. You're going to go to Khan Academy, click the login, and it's, unless otherwise noted on your personal login sheet, it's probably just your normal login. The same that it is for everything for Epic. So log in. This will come up, your course mastery. Don't need to worry about that. This is just what we're doing throughout the year. But you'll see this. You're going to come over here and you're going to click assignments. That's where it puts the assignments I assign you in your agenda that I look at to see if you're on pace for math and the ones I grade. So they'll come up here. You see the due dates for them. Go in order of the due dates, or if they're not, if they're all like these are all due on the same day, just go in order that they are, because especially for math, you know, one skill builds upon the previous skill. So go in order. All you do is click start and it'll start the video or the lesson, and you can just click through and do next assignment. Click let's go to practice. And I do see your scores on the practices, so yes, you have to do them. If you skip them, it'll show me that you didn't complete it, and you'll get a 0 on it when I go to give you your grades for the week. If you need some help on your practice, it is taking a long time, I apologize. Go through, watch video, use a hint if you're not understanding it. Go to lesson page if you need a little bit more help on it. Okay? And if you still are having trouble getting it, use Homework Helper. Go to Homework Helper and have the tutors there help you go through this. If you're not getting it, it'll help you a lot if you take notes on the videos as well. If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me. Good luck.